You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this file format. Yes, it stands for graphic interchange format, so it's a hard G, right? So it should be pronounced GIF, as in graphic. But the problem is that it's not GR, it's GIF. And the founder, the creator of the format, said it's pronounced as JIF. So what do? Well, if we look at some examples of words in English, well, you have words like gift or giraffe. So there are examples of J sounds, hard G, or a soft G. So it's essentially impossible to know which one is to be used more. Some people prefer GIF, others JIF. Both pronunciations are indeed now considered correct, I'm afraid. How do you pronounce it? GIF, JIF, which one do you think it should be? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.